At Jeju National University, we warmly welcome you to the Department of Electronic Engineering, where innovation and excellence shape the future. Here, we strive to push the boundaries of science and technology to create solutions that shape the future. Today,
in the Nano Fabrication and Device Laboratory, clean room, all personnel are required to change into designated cleanroom garments before entering the lab. These specially designed cleanroom clothes are worn to minimize dust, particles, and contamination, ensuring a controlled and dust-free environment. At the entrance, additional cleaning procedures further remove nanoscale dust particles. The laboratory is equipped with an optical microscope, which is used to examine printed thin films on glass substrates for pattern uniformity, film continuity, printing quality, and surface defects such as dust particles or cracks. A probe system is also available to characterize and test optoelectronic devices by measuring their electrical and optical performance. Furthermore, an alpha step profilometer is used to measure thin film thickness, step height, surface profile, and film uniformity with high accuracy. UV-Vis spectroscopy is employed to study optical absorption and transmittance, estimate the optical band gap, and analyze electronic transitions, while photoluminescence (PL) spectroscopy is used to investigate emission properties, defect states, and charge recombination behavior.
The laboratory is also equipped with a sputtering system used for the deposition of high-quality thin films for electronic and optoelectronic device fabrication.
The yellow room provides a controlled environment for photolithography processes, including substrate cleaning, spin coating of photoresist, and baking on a hot plate to ensure proper pattern formation and adhesion. After instrument use, all equipment and materials are carefully returned to their designated places to maintain laboratory cleanliness and safety. The printing room is a dedicated workspace where substrate polishing, PCB dispensing, laser processing, and thorough substrate cleaning are carried out to prepare and fabricate devices with high precision.